how to remove text from videos in CapCut. So first of all, you will have to make sure that you have the latest version of CapCut. So please make sure. So after that, you'll have to open the CapCut on your device. Okay, so simply from here, you will have to choose that project whom you want to remove the text. So simply I'm choosing this. So as you can see, the text nature has been added on my this project. So simply to remove this text from here, you will have to click on this text section just at the bottom side panel of your screen. So simply you have to click on this text. Okay, so from here you will have to click on that text you will have to remove. So simply choose on the text. Okay, so from here you can remove this text by clicking on this cross option just at the top right corner of that text section, or you can simply scroll down from bottom and find the option delete. So simply you can do both of the options. So simply I'm clicking on this delete option. Okay, so as you can see, the text nature has been removed from my video. So likewise, you can also remove the text from the video. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.